Do you agree or disagree with the prohibition of cybercrime law? Why or why not?
I agree of prohibition of cybercrime law because it helps many people and individuals to protect their peace and privacy.
Do you agree or disagree with the provision of copyright law? Why or why not?
I agree with the provision of copyright law because it helps the author to protect her name and also to protect her identity.
How do you feel if someone posted embarrassing about you? What would you do?
What I feel when someone's post about embarrassment, about what I feel when someone posted an embarrassment about me is I feel guilt and also disappointment and sad. It because they don't have a right to post about embarrassment and also they don't have right to post my identity and my privacy. They ruin my privacy and also my image in society.